All right, so we got a new, turn this way, better with the sun. I got a new cup holder from Lexin. I've used the Lexin C4 before. This is the C3. Now the C4, you guys can possibly see here, I don't have a ton of space. As you can see, a ton of space on my bars because I have, number one, I have some other stuff on the bars, but I find the C4 is a big, it's a large cup holder, and I never carry like big gigantic drinks. I usually carry bottles of water. That's kind of it. So Lexin was kind enough to be like, hey, we got the C3, so if you guys want to try it out, we'll send that to you. And I was like, yes, because I think it's nice, and chrome and black kind of matches my bike, right? A lot of black, a lot of chrome, a lot of goodness. Anyways, this is it here. I'll turn this here in hopes that you guys can maybe see what I'm doing. I haven't opened it yet, but that's one-handed. That's right. I'm magical with one hand. That's weird to say. Anyways, my thought would be clamp, yes, and little foam or rubber pieces for make sure it fits, and of course the actual mount. So very similar to the C4, I think, is that, and this is actually something, I'll turn again this way. This video is not very professional, but you get what I'm saying, hopefully. The C4 in this one's definitely smaller again than the C4, but I like the fact, and that the whole bottom piece, you guys can see it, right? The bottom part, all that is just, it's like rubber, like a rubbery fabric type thing, which means that it's never going to hit anything and scratch, which is nice. Yes, it has these little clamps, so if your cup is a little bit bigger, so it should be fine for like a water bottle or like a travel mug, not an excessively large travel mug. Now if you have the C4, it definitely is bigger, and it has a little like a moving piece in it, so you can help lock it in place. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find where this should be able to go. I'm hoping maybe like right here beside my mount, and I can have a refreshing beverage as I'm driving. Wind. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on and let you see what it looks like. All right, so it's on. It takes like 5 minutes, let's be honest. And it really all depends on how hard it is or how far your handlebars are away, because I didn't have a lot of space in this area. Of course, you can only turn it so much. So this gets you on your bars. This bolt in here undoes so that you can get the cup holder in, and I should be able to get like a coffee mug in there, no problem. Again, see how that's nice and soft? Your cup just fits in there, which means if for whatever reason it slides down and slides across your tank, it's never going to scratch, because it's just this, which is awesome, which is what I love. Because I have to say, I did have a different cup holder before, and it was metal on the bottom, and because of that, it actually slid across and scratched on the tank. Yeah, true story. So this won't do that, and it's smaller than the C4. So just again, realize that if you are wanting to put a big mug, like some kind of large beverage holder, then maybe the C4 is better. If you are like me and just want like a water bottle or like a small portable travel coffee bottle thing, then this is probably all you need. And again, I like the fact that this one is black, the other one chrome. So I like the black for sure. It just matches my bike better. And yeah, that's the C3 from Lexin. They show it here in chrome, so I'm guessing that they do have a chrome version. Super happy that they sent me the black version, because that matches my bike better, which is all good. All right, guys, we're gonna just do a little tiny 30-second add-on to the end. I gotta ride to the office, and I'm going to grab my coffee mug because it's there, and we'll see how it does on the way back.